Ah, donuts.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take the first bite. Hey, don't take a bite of my donut.
I don't care. They were mighty tasty.
Is this the eating game? I want to. Hey, Mr. Hogpants, you can't take everything away.
You and your fat nose ruined the donuts. Look, 2 big bites are missing from mine.
And you guys took 2 bites, big ones, out of mine. And how come snot is on there? Now you're going to pay.
All right, fit boy, you want some of this?
At least it was still good.
Oh my goodness, what happened to the donuts?
You lazy bum!
You. Huh?